Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a really quick review. This is my very first time, oh, bra strap, okay, that's not cute. Very first time buying a wig from My First Wig. So a couple of stats, I saw this wig on Instagram and I was like, that looks really cute and I want to try it out. I just opened the DHL package, so I haven't looked at it yet, so we'll be looking at this together for the first time. So as soon as I open the package, it does come with a wig stand. It did take about 2 weeks and it cost me $180, and that was with all the upgrades. So there's a base price that I want to say was about $160. I did get the knots extra bleached, which took an extra 5 to 8 days. The communication was great. I would say customer service is wonderful. DHL though, I do not like DHL. I don't know, their updates aren't all the way up to date. I was supposed to get it last Friday and today is Tuesday and I'm just now getting it, whatever. But anyways, it came in this beautiful black box that almost looked like a shoe box or whatever, but it's really cute. Oh y'all, this is so beautiful. So here's the wig. Oh, this is beautiful. And I'm gonna give you all the stats in just a second. But it also came with this. I want to say this is the very first wig kit. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So in your wig kit, it comes with one wig carrier bag, a rat tail comb, a foldable wig stand, polyester wig cap, hair clips, and bobby pins. So here's a comb. I absolutely love these rat tail combs because they do get your parts perfect. Bobby pins. This is a really good travel bag. And then these right here, which these are some really good hair clips. My mom uses these at her salon, so I will vouch for those hair clips. So I feel like that's pretty good. I feel like it's worth $180. Y'all look at this. This card is beautiful. This is so sexy. My First Wig 4th anniversary. Thank you all for allowing this to be a first wig memory. This is cute. This will be a good wedding invitation, y'all. VIP $12 off online/offline. Huh, okay, I like this. This is cute. So they give you a coupon for your next wig, which so far, so good. I really do like this bag though, y'all. Like, this is really cute because normally I just throw my wigs in a satin cap and keep it pushing. It does come with a wig cap. So the specs, the texture is silky. It is 12 inches long and it's the natural hair color. My head is small, so I got the size number 1. It's 6-inch deep part line and the lace color is light brown. I was thinking about getting the hair dyed, but I was like, maybe not, because this is gonna be my winter hair. Oh, okay, so how I get it out? So it comes, okay, what the heck? Oh, y'all, this, okay, I'm gonna need, this is not that convenient. How do I get this out? Okay, the struggle is real. Hold on. Okay, I see hair. Well, dang. Okay, so much for double wrapping. And look, it's stuck to the combs. Whatever. Okay, so here is this bad boy. So here is my skin. Here is the lace. So it is a tad bit darker than me, but that's okay. It's nothing that foundation can fix. At least the lace is brown, because a lot of times the lace does come back gray. It does have that fake scalp thing underneath it. So I say that makes it look a lot more natural. And I don't know if you all can tell, but the parts are, I mean the knots, my bad, are pretty much bleached. They're about as bleached as I feel like I would have been able to get it. So it does have the fake scalp underneath that does look sewn down. So probably less lifting. It does, ooh, okay, here we go. It does come with an adjustable strap. It comes with 3 combs, 2 on the front, 1 in the back. It does come with lace in the back. and adjustable straps. So far I really like this, and I feel like the color is pretty good too. It is a tad bit darker than mine, but it is still pretty good. I will try this on right after I come back from Barbados. So far so good. I do feel like the hairline is plucked pretty natural too. Okay, sorry, y'all, best friend called. But anyways, I was saying that the plucking on here is extremely natural too. So I probably wouldn't have to manipulate this too much. But so far, so good. I really like it. The hair does feel soft and smooth. I will be flat ironing it and all kind of stuff. But so far, I like it. And yeah, I would rate it a 9 times out of 10. I would definitely probably order from them again, but I'm gonna try the wig on for sure and let you all know how I like it. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully this first impression was a good first impression. It was a good first impression for me, and I can't wait to really try it on my head. Bye, y'all.